Hi, my name is James, and I've got a new product that may help some of you out. With everyone having a very busy schedule, attending school, working full time, or for those who have children, work, and go to school, I'd like to tell you about a new product that's out there. It's the gym chair. With everyone being too busy and juggling everything all the time, which gives us no time to work out or go to the gym. And even if we do go to the gym, these gyms are packed and we can't even do the workouts that we have in mind. This is causing you to be inactive. By investing in a gym chair, you'll now be able to work at the luxury of your own time or anywhere at that. You will no longer have to deal with the crowds or having to go to the gym. With this gym chair, you'll be able to do various exercises like pressing, squatting, or even some pulling exercises. Just imagine how much you'll save. You'll save on fuel, on memberships, and your time. Now that you know some of the benefits from the gym chair, I urge you guys to make the purchase and get active once again. Thanks.